Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, and today I will show you how to add a fingerprint unlocking into the device. So to get started, you want to open up settings, and from there let's scroll down to lock screen right here, and right at the top you will find screen lock type. So tap on that and you have a couple of choices. So you have number one right here, fingerprint. We will want to check that on, and we'll also need to set one of the methods right here, so pattern, pin, or password. Now once you check on fingerprint, it will automatically prompt you to choose one, so let's do that. Continue, and there we go. So you have the choice. Now whichever one you choose, it's completely up to you and your preference. Now I prefer pattern, and basically it's a drawing of a line basically in like a 3x3 grid. Now pin is just a 4-digit number, and password is just a normal password, so words, letters, numbers, stuff like that. So I just choose pattern right here. So I'm just gonna draw the pattern, then redraw the same pattern once more, and same premise goes for pin and password. You have to put it in once and then repeat it the same way the second time. Let's just confirm that now, and then I can start scanning the finger. Now for this device, the fingerprint sensor is on the power button, so I'll probably want to do it with my thumb. So I'm just gonna grab it in my hand like so. So you want to get a good read basically of the entire finger. So when you have the sensor, let me just put it good in light so it's visible. There we go. So I kind of want to get all the sides of my finger to get it basically the tip of it, sides of it, the back side, and you want to go through it till it's finished. It also has a little image right here of the fingerprint sensor where like wants you to scan your finger, so you can see top, kind of a middle, bottom. Let's go middle, and there we go. And once you get to 100, it's finished, so you can tap on done, or you can also add another one. So you could add another finger. You could also enroll the same finger another time just for a more accurate readability, but I'm just gonna stick with how it is right now. So done, and now also done once more. And now when I lock the device, I have two ways of unlocking it, either through the pattern that I have set like so, or with my finger. So keep in mind that for instance my index finger won't actually work. So if I press on it, it will just go into the lock screen. But if I just tap on it right here, I'm not even pressing the button, it automatically unlocks. So you can see that it's just a gentle, there we go. You can see that I'm not really pressing it. I would have to press harder for it to actually actuate. So that is how you would add a fingerprint, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.